What's going on, everybody? This is Rasta Man Adventures Traveler. Today I'm here in Kensington and it's like snowing like crazy right now. I mean, I've never seen snow in Kensington before, in Philadelphia, let me say. But here we are. I don't know how these homeless people are they taking this, living on the streets. It's gonna be interesting to see for sure. Sad, but it's a reality of life for these people out here on the streets. That's Philly White Christmas. I didn't expect to see this today. This is really nasty.
You want some ice? Only some dough for some ice?
No, it's all right. Hey, aren't you cold?
Yeah, I'll be alright.
You need gloves?
Like you.
I have like small ones. I'm not sure they can fit you or not, but your hands, you can try.
It was bad.
Yeah, just try. I mean, if they don't, then you can just give it to someone. Because otherwise, you're gonna have a frostbite.
Right.
You know, you don't want that. I mean, as long as you can fit
Yeah, but
your hands in there, you know what I mean?
yeah.
I mean,
Good enough.
huh?
Yep.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah,
I appreciate it a lot.
yeah, yeah.
Thank you so much.
What's your name?
Ariana.
Why don't you like maybe find a spot?
Yeah,
I think.
I'm gonna get.
Yeah,
I'm
the
gonna
station
go.
there, like the steps, is much better there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go over there.
Yeah, because I don't want you. It's bad today. I didn't expect all this.
Yeah, they said it's supposed to snow till tomorrow.
Really? All the way
Someone
to
said.
tomorrow?
Yeah.
Just get out there.
Thank
It
you.
just scared me. I mean, how do I see? What's your name?
Ariana.
Nice to meet you, Ariana.
Nice to meet you.
Oh,
too.
bye-bye.
Be safe. Thank
Yeah,
you.
put a hoodie on.
Yeah, I'm going
Yeah,
to.
okay, bye bye. You fellas good? You alright? Yeah. Yeah.
What's up? No, no, no.
Yeah. It could be,
Is he alright?
왜 버려? 왜 버려? Le envío saludos a los hijos, los quiero mucho. Oíste.
Huh?
Hate this thing.
Oh, the train?
Yeah.
Why?
It's anymore.
Oh, you want to stay on the train?
No, I just want to go home.
Oh, you want to get in and go home? How much is it?
$2.90.
$2.90. I mean, if you're getting in, I can have a couple of dollars if you want to go in.
You do?
Yeah, but if you go in, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't want it you and use it for something else.
No.
You promise that?
You can watch me go in. Hey, you can pay it.
Oh yeah, I'll do it for you just because I don't know if
You pay it.
Okay. If you go home, yeah. Yeah, it's go home. Yeah. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, y'all do sound slick. I mean, this,
The socks yesterday?
Huh?
Remember you're buying socks at quarters?
yeah,
Yeah, did you get them?
yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Start here. Wow. Guys, like starting a little fire there to keep himself warm. Is it working, bro? Is it good? Yeah. Huh? I don't know. Let me see. I think I might.
Okay.
Let me get
Okay.
something.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's warmer in here.
Yeah. I mean, you just standing there?
Me?
Yeah.
I just-
Aren't you cold?
I just walked over.
Okay.
Yeah, we want to just stand in here.
Yeah, it's freezing out here.
It is. I just
Okay.
need some gloves. You know.
Yeah, you don't even have gloves?
I know, but I get some.
Oh, I just gave the last one to
Oh, you
some
did?
chick. So
Thank you.
that's all I got. I'm
It's
sorry.
okay. This
I
is
mean,
fine.
I can, yeah.
This is fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As long as you just get warm and like you
Yep.
got boots on.
No, yes, thank God. Yeah,
Ye-
me, I gotta give her. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Do they have coffee in this place?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, you want it? It's good? Okay.
Alright.
And much good.
Have coffee in it? Coffee? Coffee.
I got one over there on the table.
Huh?
By the computer.
Oh, over there?
Yeah. That's a little one. By the TV screen.
Oh, you have to. Oh, you fix it yourself?
Listen.
So I have to fix it myself? How much is it? Oh, okay. That's all good. How you doing? Huh? Oh, no, sir, are you okay?
Oh, yeah, I'm alright.
Okay, yeah, okay. I thought you were sleeping or something.
No, I'm wide awake.
Oh, okay. That's good. Yeah. Don't fall though.
Start walking. Where? This way.
What's up, bro?
So now what?
What's going on?
What is that?
Upsetting. Hey, bro, you good? Are you okay, man? Are you good? Yeah. Alright, just checking. Coffee? Huh? Dollar? Alright, I'll just give you $1, bro. Merry Christmas. Yeah, put it away. Thank you. Merry Christmas, man. Yeah. Yeah. Have a good day, alright? Have a good day. Yeah. How you doing? Yeah.
You think I could bother you for $1?
I'm not sure if I have it. But I was gonna catch a train. But let me see. I might not. When you buy a ticket, did they give change in there?
Where?
Like up there in the train?
In the machine, yeah. The kiosk.
Oh, you have to. They do cash. I don't have like $5. I need to catch train. See what I'm saying?
I got 2 here.
Huh?
I got 2.
What do you mean?
I got $2 here.
I can't give you 3. I just need some money. I can give you $1. I mean, I'm too broke. You still got 2 over there?
Yeah.
Then I give you 5. Then how much can I catch a train? It's $2.90.
It's $2.
$2.90. Trust me.
They let you go.
No.
I promise.
I don't wanna take my chances. Like, you can go up there with me.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, that's what I'm saying. But why you don't like using stairs? Come on, exercise for you.
All I do is walk.
Yeah. I mean, we all need to exercise sometimes.
I never stop walking.
Oh? Oh yeah, you're always walking. What's your name?
Gloria.
Gloria? Oh.
I ain't got no choice but to walk. I am homeless, so
Oh, you are?
I just make it look good. So I wash up every day. I eat every day.
How do I get a ticket in this? I've
So-
never used one. I always pay.
You trying to get in here, right?
Yeah.
So quick purchase fast.
Yeah. I missed the bus because of this. Alright, you can grab $1 and give me $1 back.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have a good day.
You
Maria,
too.
what's your name?
Gloria.
Gloria, nice to meet you. Stay safe. Yeah. Bye-bye.